Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna show you that how to load your data into Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. So I'm gonna start it from scratch. That how to load this data. Because in the previous video I have shown you that how to get your data, how to download it from the web, and because it's a fake data, so now we are gonna load it into our BI tool, Power BI desktop variant. So let's get started. Here it is my file browser. I'm gonna open it because I have already selected the location. So so this is my data set which I am gonna I want to load it into Power BI. So let's get started and launch the app first. This is Power BI desktop app which I have already installed. You can get also from this Microsoft store by searching for Microsoft Power BI desktop. Okay, make sure to see the desktop title with Microsoft Power BI. Okay, because there are other also apps named Power BI, Power BI, Power BI. So make sure to check this Power BI desktop from the store. So this is the first look of Power BI, and let's get started. Here is displaying get data recent sources because I have already some files in this made through Power BI. So I am going to start get data. We can also get data from here if you haven't ever used Power BI. So just go there, get started, and sorry, it's not that. Okay, because I import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, try a sample data set, and get data. Get data, what is the thing? Because I have already shown you that the file which I have downloaded from the internet is a CSV file. It's a CSV format file, comma separated variant. So comma separated value, sorry. So we are gonna start with this. We are going to click this, and there are no files. Because we have in the downloads, then documents, and here we are, data science, salaries, open. Okay, so let's wait for it. It is an incredibly powerful tool. It is an incredibly beautiful and easiest tool. Now we are gonna transform our data, load our data, or we want to cancel it. No, we don't want to cancel it. We are just going to transform our data just to check it if there is something need to be corrected, or if there are some null entries or errors in this data set. So we are going to just clean it. ETL is for export, transform, and then load. We have exported our data from the web. Import होता है. Okay, sorry, okay. Look, we do not have any like remove. We are going to click on this, then remove errors. Okay, all the data, and just remove duplicates and remove errors. Okay, I will all shows you in further videos that how to create relationships, how to create how to merge your queries, how to append your queries, how to insert columns, how to deal with different things. So I think it's a format, it's a good format. 2023 year experience level, a string, it's also a string, it's also a string, it's a salary, and salary currency is a string. It's a type of salary in USD. So employee residence is a string, remote ratio. Okay, company location and company size. Because there are no errors and duplicates, we have already removed our errors and duplicates. From this section of the applied steps, we can know that which are the steps we have already applied, we have applied to this data set. So now you can also rename this data. So I am going to replace it, and I am going to put this, I am going to replace it, and I am going to put let's say data scientists salary in 2023. Okay. As you have seen that as soon as I put push, I am not good in English. So छोड़ें इस बातों को, देखते हैं कि हमने जैसे ही मैंने डेटा साइंस सैलरी कर इन 2023 करने के लिए एंटर प्रेस किया तो मेरी साथ ही इस टेबल का नाम चेंज हो गया, which is also displaying as data scientist salary in 2023. So we can also rename the columns, like I can rename it by double tapping on this cell by residencies, USD, salaries, currency, salary, job title, employment type, employment level, work year, sorry, okay, not work. These three are just left, remote ratio, and I 100% remote. No, it's not remote, it's remote. They must have column for hybrid users. Company location, yeah, company size. Okay, now it's a good looking boy. Okay, now we are going to press this button where is displaying close and apply. Close and apply. There are pending changes in queries that haven't been applied. Apply changes. Okay, it's loading. Now done. Yeah, thank you. You know what? Here is our table having all the columns, your salaries, salary, remote ratio, residencies, location, and there are some calculated columns, some measuring columns, some. Okay, we are done with this. Now we have successfully loaded data now we will meet a visual in the next video.